Alright, welcome back to the shop, guys. I got all my signs on. Got the Aaron's up there, got the Honda, and I have the Tanaka one back there lit up. And I cleared out the floor here, besides what's by the bench. And I can get into my drill press. And I hung up my blower, so that'll be up out of the way. That's a Tanaka, and then the one below it there is a parts blower. And then up above is a Tanaka string trimmer that I picked up at an estate sale last year. And found out another sign, and I hung it up backwards so my grinder has some protection, because you know what grinders do. And I had my lawn boy can, and so I hung it up above my lathe here, and it won't get any sun or anything. And it's in good shape, and my coworker suggested making it a lampshade. It's kind of a neat idea. But anyway, I'm going to be doing some more cleaning. I got today off because my girlfriend had all 4 of her wisdom teeth removed this morning, so I'm playing nanny for today, but I hope she recovers quickly. But anyway, in the meantime, I'll keep cleaning out here, and I'll update you guys here whenever I get more done. Alright guys, well, we worked a little bit more, and we got a workbench to use. Still got to figure out where to put the bread box and this old desk lamp I picked up at a garage sale. I just got it for the Art Deco look. It's a fluorescent bulb in there. And I was thinking of hanging the bread box somewhere on a wall, just to have like a display for some of my old cans and things. So I got like that stop rust in that estate sale haul. And I got a old Coleman can. That one's really cool. And then I also got this old turtle wax. So I was going to do like a little retro display for all the knick-knack things I find. But in the meantime, my tool rack is another story. It's a quite jumbled mess of pliers and hammers and whatnot. And yes, it is a bright purplish pinkish hammer. And it's one I got out of a toolkit for my girlfriend. But it's not difficult when you can always see a bright pink handle on the hammer. And I haven't lost it yet, so that's always an advantage. And this tool rack is a Flambeau tool rack made in the USA. I picked it up fairly inexpensive, like $10 or $15. And I like it. You can hang an assortment of junk on it and handy things, but it doesn't work like this when you just kind of throw everything up there. So I'm going to go through all my screwdrivers and make a little junk pile for screwdrivers, ones that you don't really care what happens to, and then the ones that you do care about. So let me organize that and clean that up a little bit more, and we'll get back to you guys here. Well, that looks a lot better. So everything's nice and organized, and you can find it. You know, you got the little screwdrivers you mix your JB Weld and whatnot with, and then you got the nicer Craftsman's, and then you got your spark plug tester, which is always annoying to find it when you don't know where it is. And then all the brushes I found, I just use an old 2-stroke cylinder to keep all my brushes in line. But other than that, I think I need to take a little trip to Harbor Freight here and get a little bit more organizing of things. And I still kind of got a pile down there, but that'll be put away easily enough. But for now, guys, this will conclude part 3 of the shop organizing. And I don't know if I'll do another one of these, but I do probably need to organize the outside of my shop. I know that, so there might be a little series on that once the weather gets nicer. But until then, thank you for watching, and hit that like button if you'd like it, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.